If this happens to you, you have stress. Great care. In the present times, most suffer from stress due to the working life they lead. That is why maintaining adequate levels of stress is not only good, but could help you live longer. But unfortunately not everyone can distinguish very well when we have stress, and so we continue to advance to very serious levels. Here we will tell you what are the symptoms of stress that you should not ignore under any circumstances. Listen and read very carefully. 1. Hair loss. Usually hair is born, grows and falls naturally to regrow, but stress breaks this cycle, shortening the growth phase and causing massive hair fall. This again relies on stress hormones and can affect us whether we are male or female. Stress baldness can affect the entire hair or just some areas, causing small bald spots all over the scalp. You should know that the fall is not immediate, but usually occurs about 3 months after having suffered stress, so the next time you start losing a lot of hair, ask yourself what happened a quarter ago. 2. Poor memory. Excessive stress affects the storage of memory in the hippocampus. This translates into all kinds of forgetfulness. Moreover, it has been shown that stress-associated hormones have the capacity to increase the memory of traumatic events, since these may be key to the survival of the subject. The small things, however, are totally ignored. 3. Headaches. Most of the headaches experienced by adults are caused by the stress and excessive stress it causes on the muscles of the shoulders, neck and scalp.